Hi everyone. Today I want to take a look at the drone market to understand what is really happening, why AI-ready platforms are becoming increasingly important, and what is the technology powering the next generation of drones.
There's a lot of confusion about drone AI, so let's clear it up. About 80% of commercial drone workloads reduce to 5 model families. YOLO for detection and tracking, obstacles, packages, power lines, people. Depth anything, and MIDAS for depth estimation and collision avoidance. Orb Slam 3 for visual localization when GPS is denied or unreliable. Deep Lab V3 and Fast SCNN for semantic segmentation of terrain, crops, and infrastructure. And MobileNet or EfficientNet for lightweight classification and anomaly detection. Everything else, from counter UAS to precision agriculture, is a combination of these 5.
Drones don't all look the same under the hood. There are really 3 architectures in the market. The super integrated architecture collapses perception AI and the flight management unit onto one board. Best for compact commercial and ISR drones where weight and time to market matter. The split navigation architecture keeps a dedicated flight controller alongside the perception processor, a good fit when the flight stack is complex or safety certified. And the split ESC architecture goes further, with dedicated motor controllers, from the RA8T family up to the RX700 family.
Actually flying today, and the picture simplifies to 3 architectures. The super integrated architecture puts perception AI, flight control, and motor control on a single board, the right fit for compact commercial and ISR drones where weight and time to market dominate. The split navigation architecture keeps perception on a high-performance vision processor, but adds a dedicated flight controller alongside it. The right fit when the flight stack is levels, one design language across the fleet.
So why RZ-V2H specifically?
Because it's built for exactly the workloads I just described. Up to 80 tops of sparse AI performance at roughly 10 tops per watt, with a heterogeneous compute fabric. Quad Cortex A55 for Linux and ROS2, dual Cortex R8 for real-time flight control, and a Cortex M33 headroom. The result? Perception and flight control on one board, fanless, at battery-friendly power. The profile a modern drone actually needs.
Hardware only wins if the software is ready.
That's why Renesas is porting the drone community's standard stacks directly onto RZ/V2H. PX4 running on the Cortex R8 with NutX, ArduPilot on ChibiOS, ROS2 on the Linux side over UX RCE DDS, plus an AI SDK bundle for delivery, surveillance, and smart agriculture workloads. For a drone builder, that means picking up an open-source flight stack, dropping it onto proven silicon, and shipping in months instead of years, with reference designs and AVNet training workshops to accelerate the path.
Trusted silicon.
Open-source software, ready for the next US drone platform. Reference designs, RDK, and engagement paths are available now.
The next generation of US drones will be defined by trusted silicon, intelligent software, and accelerated development. The architecture are ready. The software ecosystem is arriving, and the path to deployment is clearer than ever. To learn more, follow this link below.